Hi, today I researched everything you're curious about regarding oregano oil, the world's #1 natural antibiotic. What is oregano oil? What does it do? How is it used? Who shouldn't use it? What are its side effects? And what are its benefits for hair, skin, and the respiratory system? I found the answers to all of these, and I'm going to share them with you one by one. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the first question. What is oregano oil? Oregano oil is a crazy strong essential oil obtained from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant. It contains carvacrol and thymol. These two are literally the heart of the oil. It kills germs, supports immunity, fights fungi, and on top of that, it has antioxidant effects, but careful, it's very potent, so it should never be used without diluting it with a carrier oil. What does oregano oil do? A true multi-purpose natural support, from digestion to breathing, from skin to immunity. It touches everything. It even works for home cleaning. Benefits of oregano oil: fast but complete package. Antibacterial and antifungal. Kills germs, antioxidant, protects cells, anti-inflammatory. Reduces inflammation, digestive support, relieves bloating, respiratory support, softens cough and phlegm, improves skin, acne, fungus, wounds, reduces muscle and joint pain. In short, small bottle, big impact. How to use it? Let's go quick. Massage and aromatherapy. 1 to 2 drops of oregano oil carrier oil gives massage muscles. Gives guaranteed relaxation. Add 3 to 5 drops to a diffuser, gives fresh air. Fewer microbes. Oral use. Never drink it pure. 1 to 2 drops in water, tea, or capsule form is ideal. Home cleaning, add a few drops to hot water, gives natural, amazing smelling cleaner. Diffuser eliminates bad odors. Side effects, important part. Closing parenthesis. If you apply it undiluted, gives burning and irritation. Too much intake gives nausea. Stomach pain. In allergic people gives shortness of breath. Rash. Long-term high doses gives toxic effect. Interacts with blood thinners and blood pressure meds. Who shouldn't use it? Pregnant and breastfeeding women, children under 2, people with chronic illnesses, diabetes, hypertension, epilepsy, people using blood thinners. These groups should stay away. What's the right amount? On skin, 1 to 2 drops oregano oil plus carrier oil. For drinking, only 1 to 2 drops. Diffuser, 3 to 5 drops. Less is more. Don't overdo it. Oregano oil use during pregnancy. Let me be clear, it's not used. It can trigger uterine contractions. Risky. Frequently asked questions. Does oregano oil help with hair loss? Yes, it strengthens hair follicles and reduces dandruff. Can oregano oil be taken on an empty stomach? Yes, but only in diluted form. Where to buy oregano oil? How to store it? Reliable herbal stores, pharmacies, online. Keep it in a cool place. In a glass bottle, away from sunlight. How to apply oregano oil to hair? Carrier oil plus massage into scalp gives wait 30 minutes. Gives wash. Does oregano oil help with cough? Yes. With steam inhalation or diluted chest massage, where do you apply oregano oil? On painful areas, skin problems, chest back area. Does oregano oil relieve pain? It provides serious relief for muscle and joint pain. I hope I helped you find all the answers you were looking for. If I did, don't forget to like the video and share it with your loved ones.